Now, as we understood the techniques to change the attitude, we know that even after education, publicity, group discussion, that is experience, understanding, or discussion, if a person does not change his attitude, then comes the norms in the picture, and then norms helps to change the attitude, but still it is the difficult one to change that attitude. Okay. So why all this thing happens? Why it is difficult to change the attitude? Because it is relatively permanent, we know that, and also there are certain obstacles in attitude that there are certain obstacles in attitude change that forbids one to change his own attitude. Okay, so we need to remove those obstacles. We need to understand that obstacle, and we have to work in that way. Okay, so we understood that how important it is to remove the negative attitude. Why? Because it affects the individual, it affects society, and it affects the world as a whole. And because if a person changes attitude, it would be better for individual, society, and nation. But we know that even after trying very hard, it becomes many times it becomes very difficult to change the attitude, and thus that obstacle that hinders the attitude change are given below. Those are strength, complexity, importance, interconnectedness, and functionality. Okay, so let's start with the first one, that is strength. So some attitude are strong as compared to others, some are weak and some are strong. And how some attitude becomes strong? Let's see. Attitude which are there in individual for a long time cannot be changed easily, as with the time they become firm and stable. So if the attitude is formed, and if that attitude is there in individual for a long time, okay, that person is holding that attitude for a long period of time, then such attitude becomes difficult to change. Why? Because with the passage of time, that attitude becomes firm and stable. Okay, so for example, though we are influenced by Western food habits, we cannot forget our traditional ones, neither we are able to change them. Why so? Because our attitude towards the traditional food is from the long time, and because of this passage of time, it has become firm and stable. There are some other example as well, like the racial discrimination in America between white and the black. Then in Asia we have India and Pakistan dispute, and all these disputes, why it is difficult to change, because such attitude are with us for the long period of time. Okay, so that attitude has become strong, and it is quite difficult, and because of that strength, it becomes an obstacle in attitude change. Okay, the next obstacle is complexity. So we know that attitude are formed from various factors. We have multiple factors that forms our attitude. Okay, and it is said that development of attitude is a complex process and formed by a large number of factors, and it is difficult to change. So if your attitude form is because of many multiple factors, then it becomes a complex attitude. Okay, and because of this large number of factors, it is difficult to change our attitude. Okay, while a simple attitude or the easier one is easy to change. Okay, for example, in a society there were many social reforms regarding the customs of like child marriage, dowry system, etc. They were successful to some extent, but still we can see those customs in our society. And why those customs are very rigid to be removed as an attitude? Because they are the complex one, because they are formed by the multiple factors in our society. Okay, then the third obstacle is importance, like how important that attitude or that factor is to you. If that factor or that thing is important in human being's life, then such attitude related to that factor would be difficult to change. For example, suppose for an individual his friend has a very important place in life, then in such situation that person will overlook all the negative aspects and will be continue to be his friend. So if for an individual his friend is very important, it takes a very important place in his life, then he will overlook all his negative aspects and he will continue being his friend. So the importance that is associated to the factor also results into the obstacle. Okay, So different things are important at different point of time. So it is not so that a point would be like important in for the whole life, but there is a different, but there is at different point of time the importance of the things may differ. Okay, and according to that importance the human or the individual behaves in his situation. Okay, so for example, when attitudes are related to life goals, their importance increases and they are difficult to change. So if your the attitude is related to your life goals, then the importance of that life goal increases and it is difficult to change your attitude towards that goal. Okay, then the next obstacle is interconnectedness. We know that attitudes are formed based on multiple factors, based on complex factors. Now if those factors, those multiple factors or the complex factors are interrelated, then such attitude are difficult to change. That interconnectedness becomes the obstacle to change the attitude. Okay, why this happens is because of those interconnectedness, the connections between those attitude and the factors strengthens, and that makes the attitude strong, and thus the attitude becomes relatively difficult to change. So the last obstacle is functionality. So if an attitude is useful to a person and serves many important functions as well as needs, then it is less subject to change. So what happens is, if an attitude is purposeful, we know that attitudes are purposeful. So if that attitude serves the important functions as well as the needs, and that purposeful attitude would be difficult to change, would be less subject to change. Okay, for example, what happens is, many times it happens that people have positive attitude towards certain religious leaders, parties and particular individual because they help him get social status, power, increases their self-respect and esteem. And in such case or such situation, it is difficult to change the attitude towards them, and they play an important role in their life. So what happens is, sometimes an individual holds a positive attitude towards maybe it may be any person, religious leader or political parties or even some particular individual, and because you have those positive attitude towards them, and that attitude serves the purpose or serves your need to get social status, power, or if that attitude towards that person increases your self-esteem or self-respect, then such attitude would be difficult to change because it plays an important role in your life. So this is how the obstacles are formed and that hinder the attitude change. Okay, so here we complete every understanding about attitude, that is its meaning, its nature, then the formation of attitudes, factors influencing attitudes, then we saw the techniques for the attitude change and also the obstacles that come in attitude change. Okay.